is really windy. So, and we're supposed to have a wind event, so I don't know if it's 80 mile an hour going to be today, or 150, or whatever it's going to be. I'll check it out more. Yesterday we had a sandstorm, but I put the car here, and desert storm winds. Pretty cool, right? I'm gonna put the truck over here to block the wind so the trailer don't flip. So I thought that was a pretty good idea. James had that idea. Just that guy right now, and somebody way in this. It's totally beautiful. And then a Jeep or something out there. It's a beautiful day for a storm. There is a major storm hitting. Whoa. Oh my gosh. There's one right there. Cool. There's a little bit in my eyes, but I think I'm going to sit in here for a minute because I want to charge my phone. Check it out. Whew. Whoa, it's really dusky, like way over there. It looks like it hits like isolated areas. Wow. That's interesting. Oh, the bird's trying to fly. Huh. I need to charge up the phone anyway. Whoa, it's still dust is going on way over there.